Good morning, everybody. I have the window of Friday after close all the way until Monday open to get the stocks done here. I'm not feeling that great, so we're going to try to get through it this morning. Market up or down for the purposes of the trading plan. You can see over here the market was down, but keep in mind this is a green candle. Cannot use the color of the candle. If you think that, you need to understand how a candle is formed and what it's really telling you, but the close today in relation to the close the previous trading day is down. So that's what we use for the trading plan. Just a little big picture though, keep in mind we are basically sideways since the end of October here. Okay, we really haven't gone anywhere. End of the month, it's always good to look at the monthly candle. Market was up 1.47%. That is the benchmark. If you look over here at our count, I'm up 5%. A little under 5%. So totally destroying the markets. And that's what you want to see consistently. Maybe not every single month, but you want to see it very consistently because if not, there's something wrong with your plan that you need to adjust, or maybe you should just buy the S&P and this ain't for you. All right, so the market's down. We're going to do the reverse snowball, right? We're trying to look at smallest to largest companies that we own. The market is down, so I'm looking to buy some stuff. And then we'll clean up our account and all that. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they are. Okay, so let's go to the screen there. We're looking for EMBC and NOG. EMBC is not on there. Neither is NOG. So through that exercise, we need to make sure that we've got NOG as sell order in. Now EMBC, you can see we're up way up. Way up. So let's go ahead and take that money off. We'll put a sell order in. We need to get a sell price, right? So for EMBC, we had 4 shares. See over here? I'm going to add these up and divide by 4 shares, right? Because we had 4 of them. Take that number times 1.01. Pause the video, do that math again for yourself. But even if your numbers are slightly different, which they shouldn't be, do your math for yourself. Make sure you understand how that works. And I just put the sell order in for what it would have been, even though the price is significantly higher than that, because with the limit order, I can still get the extra money. But putting the price in to the plan keeps me consistent with the plan, but also gives me a higher probability to actually move the stock. So if you say, well, it's trading at 1061, you put yours in for 1061. Well, if the market opens down, you may never get filled and you might be stuck holding the stock. But this is just a small flip trade that I want to move very quickly. So if it starts down below, my order's still going to trigger. I'm going to be in safety. I won't be out. Okay, so we have HPQ and Civi. HPQ, there it is. Don't be frustrated if you do not sell, because you're like, man, it's just saying buy every day. Well, then just buy every day. It's like making love with a big woman in a waterbed. You just move when she moves, okay? That's what we're doing. You have low PEs, nice juicy dividends, no debt, 1944. Very easy. And you can see it's been going up. You're like, well, I want to sell it. Well, I'm still telling you to buy it. Do not overthink this. This is very simple. Again, try to keep position to 1% of my total account. So only 1 share. Computer's still struggling, so while we wait, go ahead and hit the like button, would you? I'm trying to push this thing as fast as I can. I don't feel very good. But I will do my job and get all the orders in, and then let the system take care of itself. Limit order, good till canceled, extended hours, that's the correct price. Okay. Back here, we're looking for Civi and FDS. We're just navigating the charts as they are, showing us opportunity. We're taking it. Struggling. Civi's not on there. FDS is. And notice there's not that many options on the screener. Oh my goodness. No. All right. Phew. They're on to me. Found out I'm scalping the markets. But now it looks like we're up from where we bought it anyways, but it still follows the system. Dividend, debt, add these PE and forward P up, divide by 2. See that it's within the system, 254.36. I don't care that it went up. When you start, you'll be so fixated on getting profits, right? You'll be like, well, it went up. Like, I'm not going to buy it. Why would I buy it? It went up. I should be selling it. Like, no, we're going to make more money. We want even more. 54.36. Okay. Still have plenty of cash, as you can see in the top left there. And if you don't have a lot of cash, you're doing something wrong because we're at all-time highs. You should have cash. So if it keeps going up, we're taking advantage of every opportunity that is coming along. If it goes down, we got money. Limit order, good to cancel, extended hours. Ship it. All right, so we have all the orders in for the stocks that we currently own. Now we're going to go through what's the next step of your trading plan. Is it written down? Is it next to you? Next step of my plan is universe of stocks. I'm looking for stocks that are in my universe. All right, none of these stocks are in my universe. These are the same usual suspects we've looked at the last few days. But in order to stay consistent, I'll continue to look at them. PEs are too high here on Humanetics. Las Vegas Sands, little casino. PEs are too high again. And you keep looking at them because if the price drops, the PE will go down. And then they will be buys. PEs are too high here. So we went through our entire trading plan. And even at a slow snail's pace, it's less than 10 minutes. You can see on the monitor, everything has an order. Except for, here we are, SM. They went through a stock merger buyout. Let's see what we have going on here with SM. I think I got awarded some shares because of a previous position. I'll have to look into this one. So, looks like quite a bit of money. So, I'll look into that. If we have a cost basis, I will put a sell order in. If we do not, this stock will never be for sale because I'm not feeding the IRS. I'm feeding me and my charity. So that's what we have for today. Remember, I'm not licensed to anything, so don't trust what I say. Do your own research, make your own decisions. This is not financial advice, but this is what I do as an average working dude, and I totally destroy the market every year. That's just what I do. So hopefully it's helpful to you or a little entertaining. Leave me a like on the way out. Make sure you're subscribed. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.